Living in Tampa means dealing with high humidity, frequent rain, and intense sun exposure. If you're considering replacing your windows, choosing the right materials is crucial for durability, energy efficiency, and long-term comfort. Some materials are better suited to Tampa's climate than others, offering superior resistance to moisture, heat, and storms. Here's a guide to the best materials for replacement windows in Tampa's humid climate. Vinyl windows. Vinyl windows are one of the most popular choices for Tampa homeowners, and for good reason. Made from PVC, polyvinyl chloride, vinyl windows resist moisture, preventing warping, rotting, or swelling. They also offer excellent insulation, helping to keep your home cool during Florida's sweltering summers. Pros: highly resistant to moisture and humidity. Low maintenance. No need for painting or sealing. Excellent energy efficiency with multi-chambered frame. It's affordable compared to other materials. Cons: limited color options. Can expand and contract with temperature fluctuation. Fiberglass windows. Fiberglass windows are gaining popularity due to their strength and weather resistance. This material does not warp, crack, or expand with temperature changes, making it ideal for Tampa's humid climate. Additionally, fiberglass has superior energy efficiency properties and can mimic the appearance of traditional wood windows. Pros: extremely durable and weather resistant. Does not warp, swell, or shrink. Excellent insulation properties. Available in various styles and finishes. Cons: higher initial cost compared to vinyl. Limited color availability compared to wood. Aluminum windows. Aluminum windows are another solid choice for Tampa homes, especially for those seeking durability and storm resistance. Aluminum frames are strong, lightweight, and corrosion-resistant when treated properly. Many modern aluminum windows include thermal breaks to improve energy efficiency. Pros: highly durable and impact-resistant. Ideal for hurricane-prone areas. Low maintenance. Cons: less energy efficient than vinyl or fiberglass and less equipped with thermal break. It's prone to condensation, which can lead to mold or mildew. Composite windows. Composite windows combine materials like wood fibers and resins to create a durable and moisture-resistant product. They offer the best of both worlds, resembling the beauty of wood but with improved durability and lower maintenance requirements. Pros: resists moisture, rot, and warping. Energy efficient. Can mimic the look of wood. Long-lasting performance. Cons: More expensive than vinyl or aluminum. Limited availability compared to other materials. Wood-clad windows. If you love the look of wood but worry about its performance in Florida's humid climate, wood-clad windows could be the solution. These windows feature a wood interior for aesthetics and a protective exterior layer, often aluminum or vinyl, to resist moisture and decay. Pros: classic, high-end appearance. Provides good insulation. Exterior cladding protects against humidity and rain. Cons: more expensive than other materials. Requires occasional maintenance to prevent moisture damage. Choosing the right windows for Tampa's climate. When selecting replacement windows for your Tampa home, consider factors like energy efficiency, durability, and maintenance requirements. Here are some additional features to look for. Impact-resistant glass, essential for hurricane-prone areas. These windows provide extra protection against storms. Low-E glass coatings helps reduce heat gain and UV damage, keeping your home cooler and protecting furniture from sun fading. Argon or krypton gas fills improves insulation and reduces energy bills by minimizing heat transfer. Final thought: Tampa's humid and storm-prone climate requires window materials that can withstand moisture, heat, and strong winds. Vinyl, fiberglass, aluminum, composite, and wood-clad windows all offer unique benefits depending on your budget and aesthetic preferences. Investing in high-quality, climate-appropriate replacement windows will not only enhance your home's appearance but also improve comfort, energy efficiency, and long-term value.